Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. My name is Jacqueline Marie and in today's video we're going to take down all the Christmas decor and also clean and decorate the house. So we have a lot to do, so let's go ahead and get started. When I take the Christmas decor down, I like to do it by sections. I'm going to start today in the office. I already brought some bins from the basement and I'm going to use this step ladder that I bought recently at Home Depot, and it's great to take down all this Christmas decor. I like to take the decor in a very systematic way. I have a bin where I put all the ribbons from every tree, so I'm taking down all the ribbons first. I have one bin just to store ribbon, and every year when I'm preparing to decorate for Christmas, I go through the bin and remove any of the ribbons that I don't want to use any longer and discard them. After I finish putting all the ribbon from this tree inside this bin, I'm going to put the bin in the foyer because I'm going to use this bin later to add additional ribbons that are on the tree that is in the dining room. The next thing that I'm going to do is to remove all the ornaments and put them in this small container. After this, I'm going to put all the ornaments in individual Ziploc bags. I have been doing this for many years and these ornaments are about 20 years old and they look like new. After I finish this, I'm going to put these two containers aside in the foyer, and then I'm going to bring them down to the basement and put them in the corresponding bin. When I decorated this tree, I did not use too many glass bowl ornaments. I'm going to remove them from the tree and store them temporarily on this container, and then bring the container down to the basement to store them with the rest of the ornaments. I usually wrap these ornaments with tissue paper. When I store Christmas decor, I like to store it by category as much as possible. I have a bin in the basement to store all the tree skirts. Also, I have another bin to store stuffed animals. I usually try to keep the original boxes for items like this Santa Claus. While I was removing the rest of the decor, my husband came over and took the Christmas tree down. We usually store the Christmas tree on these three bins that are 50-gallon plastic bins. Now that all the Christmas decor has been put away, I'm going to start cleaning the room. Please comment below and let me know how was your holiday. Our holiday was good, but my husband and I got sick over the holidays. That's why I still sound a little bit congested when I talk. After wiping down all the surfaces, I'm going to clean the windows with Windex and also dust off the plantation shutters. Because the Christmas tree was set on this area, I didn't dust these plantation shutters for about 3 weeks, so you can see all the dust that I removed. We're almost done cleaning this room. The last thing that I'm going to do is to vacuum the floor and the rug. We're making a lot of progress. This room is almost done. Now we're going to put a small flower arrangement that our daughter sent us for Christmas, and then I'm going to clean the French doors. Now we're going to move into the foyer to remove all the Christmas decor. I'm taking down this wreath and I'm setting it aside to bring it down to the basement to store it in another bin that I have additional wreath. Also, I'm going to store the nativity in the original box that it came in. All the Christmas greenery that I use throughout the house will go inside this plastic bin. I'm going to clean the mirror with Windex and then I'm going to clean the surface on the table. I cannot wait to show you how I'm going to decorate this table. When I was at TJMAXX this past week, I found on sale this beautiful black terracotta vessel for $20. This is a terracotta vessel that is very similar to a terracotta vessel that they sell at Pottery Barn for $299. I'm going to make a floral arrangement using some pine branches from Michael's and some eucalyptus and baby's breath from Hobby Lobby. For the foyer decor, I want to create on this table a modern rustic decor look. To add additional texture, I'm going to add some cedar branches that I got at Amazon. Please comment below and let me know what you think about this flower arrangement. And to complete the look, I'm going to add 2 candle holders that I got at Amazon. Now we're going to clean the rug and the floor and then we're going to move to the dining room. All the Christmas decor for these 2 areas I already placed in the bins that you can see in the hallway, and now my husband is going to take them to the basement. I already brought some containers and boxes from the basement to put away some of the decor. I'm going to start putting away the decor that is on the hutch. I'm going to store the nativity in the original box that it came from. I have a small collection of Christmas carols. They're very delicate and they have a lot of cloth. To preserve them, I like to wrap them with tissue paper and put them in a small container. All the Christmas table runners will be stored in the same bin that I'm storing the Christmas tree skirts. I also store there Christmas kitchen towels and placemats. Please comment below and let me know how you store your Christmas decor. I would like to get new ideas on how everybody else is doing the undecorating and storing of Christmas decor. Moving along, we're going to start undecorating the Christmas tree. I'm going to use the same system that I used to undecorate the other Christmas tree. Now that the Christmas tree is all undecorated, my husband will take it apart and put them inside the bins and bring them to the basement. While my husband does that, I'm going to the dining room table to undecorate all the arrangements and put them away in the corresponding bins. I started undecorating at 4:30 and it's already 7:30 at night. I'm going to call it a day and we're going to continue undecorating and decorating the next afternoon. It is the next day and it's about 4 p.m. We're going to continue where we left yesterday. I'm using tissue paper to wrap all these fragile glass ornaments and then I will place them inside this bin. When I film my videos, I try to make them very realistic as I do them in real time. That's why it takes 2 days to do this task. Today, we only have to remove the tablecloth and put them in the washer and dryer, and also put away this table cover. Now I'm going to clean the tabletop with this wood cleaner. To decorate the table, I'm going to put a table runner that is neutral color with stripes. This table runner is from Home Goods. On top of the table runner, I'm going to place this cutting board that I bought at Home Goods, and I was planning to use it during Valentine's. I'm going to turn it around so it doesn't show the words. On top of the cutting board, I'm going to place a cake platter and some mandarin oranges mixed with greenery and pine cones. It is very auspicious to use mandarin orange during this time to celebrate the Lunar New Year. I'm going to finish the vignette with this beautiful kitchen towel that my daughter brought me from Portugal when she was there a few months ago. I already cleaned and decorated the hutch, but unfortunately I didn't film it because the camera was not on. I'm going to show you how it looks. To decorate the hutch, I'm using this beautiful terracotta vessel that I bought in New Mexico many years ago. I also added some pieces from my mother's china and some gold spoons. I added this beautiful platter with additional mandarins, and this platter is from the gift shop of the Italian Pavilion in Busch Gardens, Virginia. And this dining room is almost clean and decorated. I'm going to finish cleaning the windows and the plantation shutters, and then I'm going to vacuum all the area. Today it took me about 2 hours to complete cleaning and decorating this room, for a total of 5 hours in 2 afternoons. Now that everything is done, let's take a look at how everything looks. The house feels so clean and refreshed and filled with the positive energy of the new year 2024. My friends, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you got a lot of inspiration and motivation to clean and redecorate your house for the new year. You can also stay connected with me on Instagram, and if you enjoyed this video, I would love that you take some time today to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will not miss any of the other exciting videos that I have planned for the year 2024. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Cranberry Trail Farmhouse. Have a fantastic week.